timid souls that say there's more to life than property, they have never had the opportunity to purchase number 55 Sapperton Drive here in Henderson Heights. In this location, it's famous for seeing dogs walk their owners on Sunday and Saturday mornings. And what an outlook's words, more space than an aircraft hangar mark. With the vaulted ceilings, you've got that feeling of space and you are surrounded by friendly neighbours. But even when they get to know you really, really well, they will still stay your friend, won't they, Catherine?
Yes.
So, this is a beautiful home. Beautiful ambience too for an auction.
970.
I love that number. You know why? Because it's just random. Good on you, sir. Thank you. Good luck in your endeavours at 970,000 out of it now. Down for a little trifecta, put up the 30. Last chance at $970,000. Team, if Nikki stands next to you, it tells me you're very important to the auction. So we're just doing our job. Would you like to have a go, yes or no? No, not the three. Mark, there's no point. We're just going to have a conversation and I'll show you this. You guys are going to be real popular with the neighbours, I can tell straight away. Now, the lovely couple here have given us an increase and we thank you for it. Our owners do as well. And as per the conduct of auction, property has been withdrawn from the market and sold to you to people. To everyone else, thank you for coming today.